order on speedy trials of lawmakers. In fact, the Supreme Court states complete trial of MPs or MLAs within 1 year. Says district judges must monitor these trials. High Court Chief Justices must seek periodic reports. Set up more special courts to try MPs or MLAs, says Supreme Court. In fact, death penalty cases must get priority. So those are the big observations that have been made by Supreme Court as far as order on speedy trials of lawmakers are concerned. Says complete trial of MPs and MLAs within 1 year. District judges must monitor these trials and High Court Chief Justices must seek periodic reports. Also says set up more special courts to try MPs or MLAs. So these are the observations as the order of the Supreme Court as far as trials of lawmakers facing criminal cases are concerned. In fact, complete trials within a year. District judges must monitor the trials and High Court Chief Justices must seek periodic reports is what the court has said, and also instructed to set up more special courts to try MPs, MLAs. Death penalty cases must get priority is what the court has said. This is in connection to trials for lawmakers facing criminal cases. Supreme Court making these recommendations in its order, saying the trial must be completed within a year. So that's a big breaking update that we're getting at this point from the Apex Court. In fact, this is to do with trials, speedy trials of lawmakers. In fact, this is to do with the daily trials for lawmakers facing criminal cases. Supreme Court in its order saying complete trial of MPs, MLAs within 1 year. Let's go to Harish on this. Harish, Supreme Court in its order making some pertinent observations, giving certain instructions as far as trials of lawmakers facing criminal charges are concerned. Take us through the details. It says trials must be completed within a year and more special courts must be implemented to try MPs or MLAs facing charges.
Yes, that's a very big judgment as far as the criminalization of the politics is concerned. The Supreme Court has reiterated the need for expedited trials of present and ex-MPs, MLAs, and noted the figure given by Lawmakers that 5,097 such cases were pending against MP, MLAs, and also out of the 2,122 of them were more than 5-year-olds, and noting that it was not feasible for the Apex Court to monitor progress in trials of criminal cases against MPs and MLAs. The court said that in fact, this role that district judges must monitor. In fact, the second judge must monitor the trials and respective High Court Chief Justices must ask for monthly reports. That is, the High Court should monitor the trial in each of the special courts under its jurisdiction. Supreme Court also reiterated its earlier order that state governments can withdraw cases only after permission from respective High Courts. Permission of Supreme Court shall not be required for transfer of a judge. However,
all right. Thank you, Harish, for bringing all those details. So, a pertinent judgment there as far as trials of lawmakers facing criminal charges are concerned. More breaking updates. Manipur